In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Thrive Automator integration that we've set up with the Upsell plugin. So to use this integration, you'll need Upsell plugin installed on your website, and you'll need Thrive Automator. So to access Thrive Automator, hover over Thrive Dashboard and click on Thrive Automator. Once you're inside of Thrive Automator, to create your first automation, click on this purple button. And then the first thing you'll want to do is you'll probably want to name your automation. So let's go ahead and call this Thrive Automator Test. And you'll see that one of your triggers now, if you have the Upsell plugin installed on your website, is the Upsell plugin. So let's go ahead and click on Upsell plugin as the trigger. And currently we have Upsell order created, product purchase completed, subscription created, order canceled, or subscription canceled as the 5 trigger options. Depending on which one you choose, you can use any of these 5 triggers to start a automation inside of Thrive Automator. Most likely you'll use product purchase completed the most, because this will trigger when a purchase has been made through the Upsell plugin. So let's go ahead and click on Upsell product purchase completed as our trigger. Now you can have it set to be always trigger, which means it would happen every single time an order has happened, a purchase has been made through the Upsell plugin, or you can choose a condition. Most likely a condition that you'll be using is product name. So if you choose product name and then equals, we can set it so this automation only happens when a specific product has been purchased. So let's real quick go to our Upsell plugin. Let's open up our products. So for this demo, we only want that automation to happen when this Thrive Automator test product is purchased. So let's copy that name. We go back to Thrive Automator. We paste it into this box right here. So again, now this automation is only going to happen when the trigger happens, which is this Thrive Automator test product has been purchased through the Upsell plugin. Let's go ahead and click Done. Click on this little plus sign to add the action. So for this action, we're going to be using Thrive Apprentice. So what that means is when somebody purchases the Thrive Automator test product through the Upsell plugin, we want them to be added to a product inside of Apprentice. So as you can see, you can grant access to a product, remove access from a product, or unlock contact for a specific user. We want to grant access to a product, which is essentially granting them access to a course. So which product? We want to give them access to the main course. So we're giving them access to the main course, which is giving them access to our main course, as you'll see in a second inside of Thrive Apprentice. So let's choose main course, and then you're all set. So hit Done. You're going to want to change it from inactive to active. And let's go ahead and click Save and Finish. So we've created our automation. So again, what happens is when the person purchases our specific product that we set, they will then be enrolled into a Thrive Apprentice product, which gives them access to a specific course inside of Thrive Apprentice. So if we go to our products, let's grab the purchase URL for Thrive Automator test. I'm going to open this up in an incognito browser. Okay, let me go through the checkout process real quick. I'm going to enter in the demo card. I agree the terms and service, and then submit payment. Okay, our payment was successful. We were sent to our thank you page. Nothing special here, but of course you can have them go through whatever type of sales funnel you'd like. You can have them go through as many upsells or downsells as you want, and they can land on any thank you page, members area page, confirmation page, whatever you want at the end. But now let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. If we go back to Thrive Automator, let me just refresh this real quick. You can actually go ahead and click on Logs, and it's going to show you the different events that have been happening, the different automations. So we can actually see that this was executed successfully. The action was executed. So because the person purchased that specific product, they have now been enrolled into Thrive Apprentice. So if we come back to Thrive Dashboard, let's go into Thrive Apprentice. So here's our courses. If we click on customers, we now see that customer is here, the test account that we just used. And if we go back to our courses, you'll see that nobody's enrolled in Upsell course because we were only giving them access to the main course. And as you can see right here, it says 1 enrolled user. So that automation was successful. It was successful because they purchased the specific product that we had set. Again, you can't have it set to always trigger. No matter which product they purchase, you might want to enroll them into a specific course, or depending on what action you're using. You can always trigger no matter what, or on a specific product. Now, just for another quick demo, let's go back to Thrive Apprentice. Or I'm sorry, let's go back to Thrive Automator. And this time we're going to automatically enroll somebody into our email marketing campaign when they purchase a product. So let's click Add New. Again, Upsell plugin is going to be the trigger. It's again going to be when a purchase has been completed. This time we're going to always trigger it. We always want them to enroll into our email marketing service when they purchase a product. Let's go ahead and click Done. Next, we're going to click on this little purple button again. We're going to come down to Email, and we want to add user in an autoresponder. So go ahead and click on that. Now, we have ActiveCampaign and MailerLite already set up. If you don't see your email marketing provider or another tool that you're trying to connect with, you're going to want to click on Connect More Integrations. It'll take you to a page where you can click Add a New Connection, and it's going to give you all the options that Thrive Automator provides that you can connect to. So again, we already have ActiveCampaign and MailerLite set up. So now we're going to choose MailerLite. Add the user from the following to the following list. You can choose a list. Let's choose Upsell plugin. And then this field mapping. So the field mapping, you can choose which values get assigned to the values inside of MailerLite. So you choose select a key. We're going to go with name. And then if you come over and hover over this insert dynamic data icon, click on that. And what you're going to want to do is click on registered user. You can set user first name. We're going to want to add their last name. Same thing, registered user, last name. And then we're going to assign their email. So registered user's email. So you can assign whatever fields you need to be passed along to MailerLite. Then you're going to go ahead and click Done. Again, we're going to click Active to activate this automation. We forgot to name it. Let's name it. So we're going to name it MailerLite Integration. Or let's call it Automation. And then click Save and Finish. So now when somebody purchases a product, because we have it set to always trigger, when somebody purchases a product inside of Upsell plugin, it's going to trigger them to be sent to your MailerLite account based on the trigger and the actions that we set up. So that's how you can use the Thrive Automator integration that we've set up with the Upsell plugin. And if you have any questions at all, please let us know. Thanks.